What's the meaning of chromatic? Chromatic. Chromatic.
Chromatic. Chromatic. The term chromatic refers to the use of colors, particularly in music and art. In music, chromaticism involves incorporating notes outside of the traditional diatonic scales, resulting in a complex and diverse sound. In art, chromatic elements refer to the use of a range of colors to create a vibrant and dynamic composition. Overall, the use of chromatic elements adds depth and complexity to creative works, allowing artists and musicians to explore a broader range of emotions and expressions through the use of color.